Guys, we each got a pair of shoes. Look at that, 775 horsepower Shelby. Check out the wheels on that truck. Big diesel, 450. Guys, we made it back to the truck. Brand new morning, Monday morning. Brand new day, 5:39 a.m. Monday morning. It's one of those mornings where, you know, I'm just feeling a little bit laggy. I just gotta get it going, dude. When I'm not feeling it, I'm just going through the motions. Because I know I'm gonna run. I'm gonna try to run. I do not feel like running right now. But I know once I start, I'm gonna feel good. I'll be picking up the 992 later today. Excited about that. Oh, and the E30 might arrive. All right, I parked the truck. Now I just gotta get out and do something. I'm at the beach. All right, let's get started. Phew! Shout out to the Running Mans on YouTube. He's been a long time viewer since I started the channel. I appreciate you, man, always commenting and stuff. He loves XRP. I like XRP too. Full disclosure, I do have some crypto still, but I just don't talk about that much. But this is not financial advice, but definitely good to have a portion of your portfolio in something that's gives you that chance to have that big time return, which probably is going to happen with that, I think, in the long run. Hope so. You guys know more than I do. I'm honestly just trying to figure it out as I'm going along. But I think one piece of advice that I can give, because from mistakes I've made, stop switching around. That's what I did for years. I just switched from one thing to the next, from one thing to the next. So just stop switching, just stick to the stuff. And I love that. Charlie Munger said the first rule of compounding, don't interrupt it unnecessarily. You can't get the benefits of it if we keep getting in and out, in and out. And I'm talking about this firsthand experience. That's what I've done for years. It's one of the reasons why I loved real estate investing so much, because it's illiquid. So once I bought the house, I couldn't get out of it. If I could, I'd probably be selling out of the house every other week. It's one of the main reasons why I'm a dividend growth investor more, because seeing the income and seeing the cash flow every day and checking that instead of the principal balance keeps me invested. So sometimes it's good to figure out psychologically what style is best for you to just stay invested. There's a whole bunch of paths to the top of the mountain, and none of them are really wrong. You know, some might get you there quicker, some might get you there slower. Really, the wrong one is the one running around the bottom of the mountain telling you not to take a path. Pretty nice outside. I'm gonna make a coffee. I'm gonna get my laptop. I'm gonna sit outside, and I wanna check the cash flow. It just motivates me every day to check it. I just remember, like in the business, I use the Henry Ford quote, what gets measured gets done. And it is true, if you measure something every day and just stay on top of it, you tend to have better results. But then at the same time, as far as investing goes, all the statistics show that the less you look at, oh, I forgot to put a trash bag in here. The less you look at it, the better it does. I'm looking at the cash flow, I'm not looking at the principal. I was thinking, where's the laptop? But I had it next to my bed. I was doing stuff before I went to sleep last night. I actually have a gaming laptop because it's pretty fast. I don't play video games at all, but it's quick. It's good for video editing and stuff. I don't edit videos on it either, but it's just fast because it's a gaming laptop. It's freaking heavy though. The first thing I like to do is just hop onto my triple whale and just kind of see where we're at for the day with the business. It's early, so the day just started, but $181 in profit. But I've got things pretty dialed back in pretty well. You can see the last 7 days, we've done $28,000 in profit. We had $117,000 in sales and $22,000 I've spent on ads. That's Google, Facebook. I have the ads scaled down, so I'm not spending all that much on ads. $41,580 in income. So really, I just want to watch this thing increase over time. This is my core holdings, and my main goal is to just try to figure out a way to get cash flow. Guys, I'm eating this food. I'm waiting for the E30 to arrive. He should be pulling up any minute. I'm thinking that it might not be a bad idea before that E30 arrives to go move the 993. All right, we're gonna move this thing, make a little room. Let's hope she starts. All right, she's starting. I'm just moving it over a little bit so I can fit the other car in here. I parked a little too close. I can't get out. I gotta lose some weight. All right, I'm out of there. I think I hear brakes. I'll walk down to the street. They haven't taken the trash cans yet. I was gonna put it back, but it's still full. Well, I guess I'm just gonna pace back and forth, waiting for that thing to arrive. He said 10:45, it's 10:44. Getting the 992 back today too. One guy left a comment, he said classics in the garage. I think he's right. I think I'm gonna put the E30 here and I might put the 992 outside. Guys, I hear a truck. It's a pickup truck. Holy hell, it's a pickup truck with a trailer. He has made landing, boys and girls. Man, he's got a big old trailer. Man, you gotta love the Super Duty. All right, guys, he's opening up the trailer. Let's see what this thing looks at. Oh, yeah, all right. I like that. He's getting the ramps out. I wonder what's behind that thing. What is that, a Cutlass? He doesn't speak English. Oh, it's a Cadillac. I think it's a Cadillac. All right, guys, he's got to get in the window, get this thing out of here. Drove it all the way from San Francisco. He's probably ready to drop this thing off. Let's see if it starts. Moment of truth. Oh yeah! I'm glad it started. Sitting 3 days, not bad. Looks pretty clean. You're good, keep coming. You're good. There you go. Looks pretty clean. Nice. You can just leave it. I'll drive it. You can just leave it. I want to drive it. Well, it's my son's. This is my son's car. I'm going to take this thing around the block. When the car arrives. 89. 1989. Yeah, yep. You're thinking of the E24, I think. E24, yeah. This is E30. Yeah, thanks. I just arrived. Yeah, I just got out of the trailer. It's getting hectic on the street though. There's all kinds of stuff going on this tight little street right when it arrived. Take it easy. We got a doo-doo calls truck out here. I'm trying to get this thing out of here before something happens to it. All right, let's get in this bad boy. Oh yeah. My son's almost 6'3". Check out the keychain. It's got tape on it. All right, let's start this thing. Uh-oh, come on. Oh, that's good. That's good. Dude, this steering wheel is nice. I love this steering wheel. The clutch feels pretty good. We're back in action. I'm liking it. Man, I gotta say, compared to the 993, this clutch is like so smooth. When I say smooth, I mean the 993, it comes out of the floor. You know, like on the Porsches, the clutch comes out of the floor. This one's hanging. I gotta say though, I feel like I'm driving a classic with this steering wheel. This has got the 6-cylinder, baby. Dude, if this was my car, I'd be nicknaming it the Little Ripper. Yeah, this little thing rips. Dude, the Little Ripper. Oh, the boys are back in town. All right, we don't got time to play now. We got to put this thing in the garage and go get the 992. I'm also going to get another key made, get a nice clean key. I gotta say, I love this thing. Pretty cool. A little ripper. Hey, she ain't perfect, but it's honest work. Let's park this bad boy in the garage next to the 993. He's got the Continental head unit with Bluetooth. It's nice, it looks factory. Classics in the garage. It's a nice little setup. Taking it back to the old school. We'll pop the hood on it real quick because I gotta get going. One of the coolest parts of the E30 is the hood. Check it out. It's got the 6. I gotta get going, the Uber's about to arrive. But I'll look over it later. I'm probably gonna get the fluids changed and stuff. It has a brand new fuse box.
Ooh, alright. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea, yeah. Ooh, alright. Woo. This is light work.